Hey there, thinking of living in Northwest Arkansas? Well, today we're out here at one of our featured listings in Garfield, Arkansas. It's just east of Pea Ridge, not too far from the battlefield. This one has on 5 acres. We've got 2 separate parcels. One on 5 acres, a house that's 2,600 square feet. And we've got another parcel that's 21 acres, has a I guess, chicken farm, barn, if you will, for storage, and also has a pond on it. But you're about 30 minutes probably from Bentonville, where Garfield is. I would say 20 to 30 depending on traffic. You're real close to Pea Ridge, which has the neighborhood market, restaurants. But if you are looking for something that is on the outskirts of the nucleus of Northwest Arkansas, this is going to be a good one for today. I'm going to get ready and show you guys kind of what some people that are coming to Northwest Arkansas. They're just looking for kind of their own compound, if you will, with land and, you know, something with peace and privacy. So I'm going to show you this place today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's do it. So you got your own private drive on this one. This is on Gann Road and Fletcher Road, by the way, if you want to look it up. 15001 Gann, I believe. This road will take you to the 21 acre tract with the storage shed, and then we're going to go up the road here so you can kind of get an idea of what the house looks like on 5 acres. Got the log cabin look, and this one was built by my sellers, custom built. You're about 2,600 square feet, I believe, on this one. Kind of the rustic log cabin feel. A lot of the wood that was used for the property, the house, came off of the actual property. So this is kind of the outside. Now let's go in and check it out. So this is the house in the 5 acre tract that we talked about. Wanted to show you the back side of the house. Very private. All right, so we're inside the house here, 2,600 and some odd square feet. A lot of this trim was walnut, which was came right off of the property, milled right off the property, custom built. As you enter, you got the nice wooden steps all the way up to the top, open floor plan, really high ceilings, open kitchen area, huge windows that brings in a lot of natural light. Got granite, custom cabinets. Big old laundry room. And this goes to the garage. Got a big old 2-car garage. And one thing you've got here, you've got the radiant heating and cooling on the floors. This is on a well, so they've had no problems with it. The well actually feeds the house. It's on septic as well. Feeds the house and the 21 acres that we're getting ready to go check out. You've got 1 bedroom down here. Another bedroom. So 2 bedrooms down. You've got a bathroom in there, and then we'll go upstairs. So we're heading upstairs. Again, this is on Gann Road in Garfield, which is only about 7 to 8 minutes from Pea Ridge. the east side of Pea Ridge, all paved roads getting out here. This is kind of a little bonus area. You've got your master, which is up top. Huge walk-in closets for his and hers. And then you've got the vaulted ceilings. You got your master bathroom with a huge walk-in shower. I don't know if you can see that. Just a lot of skylight up here in the master bathroom. And then off the master, you've got another bedroom. Or you could just use it as like a bonus room, quilt room, painting room, hobby room. And then off of this, they've got another walkout. If you want to have a cup of coffee out here in the morning and watch the deer. So a lot of privacy, as you can see. We came up that gravel road to the property. Now I would say we are on the south side of the property.
Now this is Fletcher Farms, and currently have 21 acres here. When we get up here, we're going to show you these foundations in the turkey farm we've got up here, currently being used as a storage building. I don't know anybody that would ever fill that thing up. I believe if I remember right, it's 400 feet. It's either 350 or 400 feet by 40 feet wide.
And by the way, this is Nate. This is the owner's son that was raised out here, and he farmed this land. His family's owned this land, and
yep.
This is a separate parcel that on Fletcher Road for 21 acres. We got it priced at $390,000. Thanks for doing this, Nate. Appreciate it.
No problem. The turkey farm is about 25 years old, but that was the brooder house, and so that was the best constructed one out of all of them. And so it's got plenty of life left in it. And you see got lots of room in there. It's got curtains on the side that you can roll up with a winch if you want to keep it closed off. It's not hard to keep it, fairly insulated in the winter
It's
time.
like you got a pontoon boat stored in there right
Yep.
now.
Got a lot of fun on that thing.
Oh yeah. So, I mean, that's just one item, big item in there. You can tell how big it is.
Yeah. Yeah, it's 40 feet wide if I remember right.
Okay.
And the doors are plenty big enough to get anything in there. Cab tractor fits in there and everything. So.
Yeah, that's a nice one. And somebody could concrete the floors if they wanted to.
Mm-hmm.
And then you've got all this land over here if you wanted to build a house. So we've got Fletcher Road, which is the 21 acres with the ex-chicken barn, and you've got a pond that we're gonna go check out.
Mm-hmm.
So the 21 acres, if you wanted to, buy the house in 5, which is, I think we've got it priced now at $575, and then you've got the separate land, 21 acres for $390. You could actually have a family compound out here and build another property if you wanted, to have your kids build a place, and everybody in Northwest Arkansas has a place to come and be a great family property. Like I said, what'd you say? It's about 10 minutes to Pea Ridge, and
yeah, it's less than 10 minutes to Pea Ridge, and then Highway 62 to take you to the bypass is less than 10 minutes too, over in Avoca.
so not bad at all.
Yeah, it's convenient. You're out away where it's quiet, but you're not so far away that it's inconvenient of a drive.
And no dirt roads. The only thing you have is gravel road to get up to the property.
Yeah, you got just the private driveway here going up to the house, and so you're not worrying about traffic or dust or nothing. It's nice.
This is Nate, who you heard earlier in the video. He's Gonna feed some of the fish that they've got in the pond here. This is on Fletcher Road that they have, part of the 21 acres. They had a walnut tree go down in the pond, which I didn't know this, but I guess it kind of takes out some of the oxygen and the fish die. Is that kind of correct?
Yeah.
So they put some more catfish, tree carp, and brim. They got brim, so you can see some of the fish coming up to eat the food, and
They get bigger every day.
yeah, those catfish are getting bigger, he said. So this would be part of what you get too, is you know, if you're looking for something like this to come out and feed the fish and have a place to just chill out, you know. You got a bench right there. You could set up a fire pit down here at night. But this is part of that 21 acres, and they've got some boats over there. I'm sure they would let that go with it. But
Yeah, I think we're gonna keep them here.
keep them here.
There's a trail right there you can see over there past those white oak trees. It goes up, and you can cut across to the house for quick access if you got a four-wheeler or something.
Okay.
And you can get here just like that.
So yeah, a lot easier access than what we came. We came down Fletcher Road, but if you had the house and the 21 acres, you could do four-wheelers easy all over. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nate, thanks for helping me with it.
No problem, man.
We'll talk to you later. Remember to subscribe to Living in Northwest Arkansas at Thad Skidmore. If you like this video, we'll get you some more content, and hope you guys enjoyed.